yeah.
We're on the road. Oh, okay. Some people want it all. We are. So we have arrived, we've just got our keys and now we're exploring. Amy, do you want to give a debrief? You haven't been on the vlog yet.
You're gonna steam up. We're gonna.
Oh my gosh!
Going through the water. It's really warm.
Oh my gosh! Sorry. Freaking love a hotel corridor. Don't you love a hotel corridor? Go on, Beth. Go on, take it away. Oh no. Picking up the lunches. This is toilet. Oh wow! I just like to do a review of everything. Okay. Yeah, shake what your mama gave ya. So we are currently coming up to the pond, Po End, and we're gonna have our lunch. We'll do a little haul, won't we? A little.
I don't understand what happened.
Emily's devved because she asked for Coke and she got
Water.
She doesn't drink water. And Akira's devastated because she asked for apple juice and she got a smoothie. I don't think I've ever seen you drink a smoothie either.
I don't like smoothies.
And this one is bits. Yeah, where have they gone? Hi. We are having lunch now. Okay, so I'm just doing a quick haul. Got this t-shirt, beautiful, lovely, probably like Fruit of the Loom. You know how it. Oh, actually not. It's Gildan, whatever that is. A little schedule. I thought it was gonna fall because it's that. Could you just hold it for me? Thank you. You can do this. And then for my lunch, I have a smart water. Because I'm, you know, very intelligent. For Pete's sake. And I got a vegan sunblush hummus sandwich. Delicious. And some Pringles. Anyway, do you want to say what you got? Anyone want to?
I have a gluten-free chicken salad sandwich.
We're the special ones. She's celiac, has it dairy. Woohoo! So we're here.
Celebration cake.
Yeah.
Well, we're doing this professionally. So I've made little bits of bread.
Oh,
I made Danish
gingerbread. Oh, Jane, that's so
we're trying to.
cute.
Look at mine. Started, but we're trying to do a memory cake for a few weeks. So
What should we call that?
Yeah.
Arnold. No, sorry.
Oh my god.
That's it, perfect.
It's a disaster. This is a disaster. So we've just been around to see all of the like industry people, I think, and we've got a goodie bag which I will do a haul. Is it in frame?
Yeah.
We got a little cheeky goodie bag. Yeah, that's what's happening. What are we even waiting for? We're waiting for the annual meeting, which I'm not buzzing for, but life goes on. And we're waiting for our room as well, which that was what I thought. I lost the key because I put it in here. This is my bag. So, right, let's go back in. The main man, Stephen Mulholland. So, I won't lie. We're just waiting at the moment, and nothing's really happening. Akira's on the rainbow drops. Oh, actually, speaking of which, this girl does not like rainbow drops. Can you believe it? They're not nice. They are. Hi. We're gonna play some cards now. Come in. That's what I meant. One. No, I stuck. I got the hand. One. Come in, Akira.
Hey.
Experience rich.
Did you start to seven? It's fair, I didn't hear you. It's more clear, but.
Yeah, because I let it work.
One.
What is wrong with you? Ace. Two. That was really surreal. It was like.
One.
monster sausages like mine.
Have you seen my thumb?
Ah! Oh my god! You get thumb amputated. Sometimes they take a small toe and they stick it on.
Do you know what it looks like? Someone's got a hammer and gone like, my dad, I'm not joking, they are exactly like my dad's thumb. Like a replica.
Accepted.
Down to the fault with the fire alarms.
So we're in the room now, and Akira and Emily have been, a massive shout out, follow them on Instagram. And they've let me have the double bed. So it's like tropical theme. We've got the bunk bed, you know, nice little beach vibes. And then, I haven't looked in the bathroom yet, and the bathroom for me is a big deal. How is it? It's alright. I mean, have you seen the shower? There's no light in it.
Oh, it's the same as last year.
How do you shower in that?
Your shower.
It's literally
Turn
the
the light on.
That is the light on. Anyway, we're gonna go get our other bags now. It's gonna be a fun time, right? I'm so buzzing about the free t-shirts we've been getting. So we just got everything from the car. I'm going to do a haul of what we got. So first things first, we have received 2 t-shirts today. We've got this Zealandia one right up my street, a plain white t-shirt. Beautiful. Plain white tees. Then we're gonna move on through. We've got, oh, did you hear that squeak? Sorry. We've got a piping bag. Oh, is it a computer mat?
I don't have that.
I think it is. It's sticky on the bottom. No, it's sticky on the bottom. We got this.
We're bakers, when would we need?
I don't know what this is for. I can't work it out. We've got a dough scraper, classic. Beautiful. A pencil. Nice. A pen. Also nice. Gosh. 2 more dough scrapers. 3. This one is really nice. That's nice dough scraper. Another pen. Oh my gosh, yes, I have it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We've got a bit of black modelling thingy. I'll save the best till last. Another pen. And a... so we've got this, like a dough scorer thingy. Got this bag from Gunther, I guess it's called, I don't know. And a notepad, beautiful. And a muffin, but I already ate that. Stick on your car. Modelling chocolate. We've got some more moulding thingy, I don't know what it's called, modelling thing. Another dough scraper. Another pen. Luster dust paint stuff, silver and gold. And another notepad. All in all, a great haul to be had. That is everything I got. Great time to be alive. I'm gonna get ready for the zombie themed fancy dress right now. So we're all getting ready. Woo! Yeah, I was gonna say viewer discretion advised. Okay, do you want me to try? I don't like zombies or Halloween things, so I've gone for a zombie exterminator. What's good? I'm with my other. What are we gonna be? Like zombie? I don't know. Zombie. Something to protect it. Look how fab. So it's day 1 is complete of ABST, and it's only 9:45. But thank you. I'll explain this in a minute. And that. Oh yeah. Oh, we didn't utilise it. Oh, we've got it tomorrow. How cute is this? I'll tell you in a minute.
Oh my god, you guys did something without me and some snacks.
I'll tell you in a minute. I'll explain it in a minute. Let me explain it. Wait. So we've got a really early start tomorrow with the second group that have to present our competition work. So we need to go to bed now. And what was I going to say? So I won a raffle. I won this, and I won 20 quid. And what was I about to say? And then there was a photo booth, which I'm going to explain to you in a minute. But yeah, that's it. Oh yeah, photo booths and pics. How cute. Oh my gosh, so cute, so cute.